Welcome back to our channel, Technology with Fun. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of laser technology and exploring its real-time examples and implementations. Laser technology has come a long way since its invention, and it now plays a pivotal role in various industries, from healthcare to manufacturing. So, let's get started. 1. Laser basics, understanding the science, visuals of laser structure, explanation of laser acronym, light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation, discuss the process of stimulated emission, briefly touch upon the different types of lasers. 2. Laser technology in medicine, LASIK Eye Surgery, explain how lasers are used to reshape the cornea, improving vision without the need for glasses or contact lenses. Dental procedures, explore laser dentistry and its applications in gum disease treatment, teeth whitening, and more. Cancer treatment, discuss photodynamic therapy and laser ablation for cancer treatment. Real-life footage of medical laser procedures. 3. Laser technology in manufacturing. 3D printing, explain how lasers are used in metal and polymer 3D printing for precision at speed. Cutting and welding, show examples of laser cutting and welding in industries like automotive and aerospace. Marking and engraving, discuss laser engraving on various materials like metal, glass, and wood. Factory scenes showing laser machines at work. 4. Laser communication. Fiber optics, explain the role of lasers in high-speed data transmission through fiber optic cables. LiDAR, discuss how LiDAR technology uses lasers for precise mapping and autonomous vehicles. Visuals of fiber optic networks and LiDAR systems. 5. Entertainment and art. Laser light shows. Showcase mesmerizing laser light shows used in concerts, festivals, and entertainment venues. Laser art highlight. Laser art installations and laser graffiti as forms of modern art show scientific research. Particle acceleration. Explain how lasers are used to accelerate particles for scientific experiments. Nuclear fusion. Discuss the potential of lasers in achieving nuclear fusion for clean energy production. 7. Emerging applications. Quantum computing. Explore how lasers are integral to quantum computing advancements. Biophotonics. Discuss the role of lasers in the study and manipulation of biological tissues. 8. Challenges and future outlook. Discuss the limitations and challenges faced in laser technology. Explore the potential future applications and breakthroughs. 9. DIY laser projects for enthusiasts. Share some beginner-friendly laser projects and safety tips for enthusiasts. 10. Conclusion, the brilliant future of laser technology. Summarize the incredible range of laser applications. Encourage viewers to stay curious and explore laser technology further. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on laser technology, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.